Okay, so it's Angela here, and my mom just sent me an Easter egg when it's not even Easter. So I'm gonna be opening this. This is Angela right here. And I'm using my iPad to film. So I'm gonna open it. I don't know how to open this, so I'm just pressing. Candy, I'm gonna open it. So it's this kind of candy. I just opened it. It's so hard. And this, wait, chocolate and toy surprise. Wait. No. Somewhere. This. Okay, with that. Okay, put this in. And okay, let's see what it looks like. So how do you open this? Okay, so it looks like this. It's chocolate. It's not like those Kinder eggs with like the toy in the middle, but I think it's just chocolate. Sorry, cracked. Let me try the chocolate. Yummy. Ooh, I got it. This with chocolate. That's good. That's actually really good. This is Peppa Pig. Yoink. Oink. Um. Wait, did it come with? Wait. I'm trying to find my phone. Because I don't know what I did with it. Oh, and go check my video out when I was swimming with my phone, and I was so scared I was going to get it wet. And then, so I might be using my iPad for some vlogs, but not you. I'm gonna be off for today. And here's another. Let me open it first. It's so hard to open. Why? Okay, wait, I think, I don't know. Why is it so hard? My hands are going to freeze here. But pop it, try and pop it open. Okay, so I'll show you the two praises. Have a weird taste in my mouth. It tastes like peach, chocolate. I don't know. It tastes funny though. Let me put this on. It's really hard to put this on. Okay, and here's to make them blend. Okay, and there's that. So that's all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.